Okay, so hello everyone. In this video we'll just do a short unboxing. There's just something I want to show you. Inside this box is supposed to be a variable speed leaf blower. Okay, I got this from Shopee for 1,136 pesos inclusive of shipping fee. So it's a leaf blower from Makute, okay? 800 watts. Let's take a look inside. Okay, we've got a user's manual, 2 carbon brush. We've got the blower itself, okay? And we've got the vacuum hose, the nozzle. We've got attachments or accessories. Okay, so let me give you a much more closer look at the blower itself. This has a 2-in-1 function, blower as well as vacuum, okay? This is supposed to be the dust bag. You can, okay, pull that out here and stick that in, okay? You also have a zipper here, okay? You can choose to open it through this zipper. So motor specifications: Makute model PB001 portable blower, 220 240 volts, 50-60 Hz, 800 watts, 0 to 13,000 RPM, okay? Made in China. And these are the carbon brush ports that allows you to easily replace the carbon brush should you require to. Let's measure the cord. This strap is actually very nice, okay? So cord length from there to here is approximately about 67 inches. So let me plug this in and let's perform some initial testing. Okay, so we've got the trigger here, variable speed control, and this is the trigger lock. So right now it's number 1. Let's see. And it's actually already turning. Let's increase speed. We're gonna lock it. Okay, that's number 2. That's number 3. Number 4. 5. 6. Actually 6 is top speed. So it's now blowing, okay? Hold on. So basically, if you want to shift between blowing and vacuuming, okay, just twist this. Okay, and now it's going to suck in air from here and blow it towards this dust bag, okay? It's sucking. In that orientation, air is going to be sucked in from here and then blown towards here. In this orientation, air is going to be sucked in from here and then blown towards this dust bag, giving you your vacuum function, okay? Let's try to install the nozzle, okay? Hold on. Okay, so blower function. Actually very powerful. Let's test that with that paper, okay? Very nice. So how about let's try the vacuum hose, okay? Twist. Going to install the vacuum hose. Lock. Let's try this, or how about let's try it just like that. Gonna lock. actually nice, powerful. You can see. Let me try this. Actually nice. Let me try the other nozzle. Okay. That's actually nice. Let's try to vacuum these pieces of paper. Okay, turn on. See, it's working. Nice. Turn off. Let's try to take a look at the dust bag or dust collector, and it's all there. Okay. Okay. Let's try to compare that with a real actual vacuum cleaner. Okay. So let's try this. This, the vacuum cleaner, bought this 5, maybe 6 years ago. Okay. Considerably more powerful, as you can see. Okay. So anyway, question. Can you actually use this as a substitute for an actual vacuum cleaner? I'm going to say no, okay? Especially if you have in your mind like vacuuming a sofa or your carpet, something like that. I do believe this is going to fall short of the job, okay? Buy yourself an actual vacuum cleaner. But safe to say, I'm still actually very impressed with this one. I was not expecting that it's going to have that quite of a suction, okay? Because I actually already have a leaf blower, okay, 2-in-1 function as well. Blows air out of here, and if you want to use the vacuum option, you're going to stick the hose here. Unlike this one, the blower as well as the vacuum option, you can just use this and then just twist this nozzle, okay? And this doesn't really perform a very good job at vacuuming at all, okay? I will dare say this thing is going to outperform this thing. But anyway, I actually did not buy this for the vacuum function, but only for the blower function, okay? Now, as for this, how I wish I can show you more, but I'm not going to do that because I don't want to get this all dirty, especially when it comes to vacuum testing, because I actually only bought this as a gift for a nephew of mine, okay? So this video is only for the purposes of initial testing. I just wanted to make sure that the item works before I actually give it away, okay? So anyway, I do believe that's it. That's all that there is to show. This is the Makute 2-in-1 blower, okay? Blower and vacuum. Now, before I'll end this video, I would just like to say I'm not advertising for this product. I'm not associated or affiliated with this product or any sellers online that sells this item. I bought this with my own money. So if you like this video, like, share, subscribe if you want to. Only if you want to, and as always, thank you for watching.